Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat Pay tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to see if your WeChat Pay is fully verified and you start and your WeChat Pay is ready to send and receive payment. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WeChat app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Click on Pay and Services. Click on Wallet. Click on ID Info. Then here you go. You will see rename authentication status, which is verified right there. But if your own does not write verify, it simply means that the account is not being verified yet. It means that the WeChat wallet cannot be funded and you cannot send her money in your WeChat account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat Pay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.